We just installed the Neo 185 Deluxe Bidet that was sent to us as a gift to try, and I am thrilled with it. I'm going to show you how it is installed and go over the features of the dial right now. The kit comes with everything that you need. This other hose here is from a prior bidet we had. That is not part of this bidet system, but this hose here is. It screws into the back of the bidet attachment right down here and into the bottom of your tank. That's how you will install that. What it looks like from the top is like this, where you have to attach the device underneath the toilet seat. When you lift your toilet seat, that is what it looks like from this view, and then here is our dial. When the toilet seat is up, this is how it looks from this angle. Right here is where the water comes out of, and I'm going to demonstrate how that looks and how that works. We'll come back to the dial over here momentarily and the adjustments here as well. I want to show you this water feature. This dial has different levels of speed, and right now we have our back setting on. I'm putting a glass here because the water shoots straight out. I'm turning the pressure up higher and higher. I am unsure if the sound of that water pressure records well, but the water pressure gets stronger and stronger for what you would need. I'm going to take a look at it from this angle now. As you see, the water is coming straight up into my glass. Now I'm going to change this back dial. I'm going to be rotating this back dial so you can see the water pressure angle change. Since I'm working in a tight space, I'm doing my best to show you these angles. Now we're turning, there was a second water stream that came on. I'll show you that from an above view. This is the two streams of water when you change the dial. It allows you to clean the front and the back at the same time. Now turning the dial again, you just have the one stream, which aims more at the rear end. As you see, it nearly comes straight up, where the other one was angled a little more forward. Moving the dial all the way back, the water simply sprays down into the toilet. I suppose for a courtesy flush or cleaning any debris that's possibly stuck on the back of your toilet. I'm going to demonstrate the water pressure, spraying it directly down into the toilet. This is the lowest, and I'm just going to keep dialing up the dial. This is full pressure. This is the same pressure that comes out when you're using the bidet feature as well. And then we have it off. Now let's go over these dials. As you can see, here is our water pressure. I'm sitting on the toilet, so with the lid down, so I'm going to go ahead and dial it. And you can hear that water come on. Down below is where we have where you want it to spray. So as you turn this, it changes the direction of that spray pattern. Right now I had it all the way on to it going down into the toilet when we were spraying the water straight down. This is a little more aimed just at the rear area. This gives you actually both, so you can spray them both at the same time. And this side is more for the front, which is more for the ladies. So there you have it. I love this. It's easy to turn and dial and adjust it for you, for your setting, sitting right here on the toilet. It has been such a great feature. Just don't test it without putting a water glass there, or you're going to be sprayed in the face. Ask me how I know.